It's wonderful to meet everybody. Now I have to talk with you what makes the universe. The universe is made of matter particles, energy particles, field and time. The first one is matter particles. All of the matters are made by matter particles, atoms. Atom is not one particle, that is as solar system. In solar system, sun is in the foxy, planets are orbiting. In the atoms, protons, neutrons, both are in the center, electrons are orbiting. There are 118 elements in the periodic table. If the proton is one in one of the atom, that is called hydrogen. If the number of proton is 2, that is called helium. If the number of proton is 3, that is called lithium. The matters which are in solid state, gas state, liquid state are made by matter particles. The second one is energy particles. When we are getting energy as light energy or heat energy, the energy particle is emitted from the matter particles. If we get light, there is a particle named photon. The photon is emitted from the matter particles and it makes some waves as the bullets rotates from the rifle when moves towards the aim. This photons also makes waves as that. And the difference between the matter particles and energy particles are the matter particles have mass and volume. Energy particles do not have volume and mass. Matter particles possess a gravitational field with it together, but energy particles don't have gravitational field with it. And matter particles can travel in less than of the light velocity, but energy particles can travel in light velocity only. The third one is field. If you go to ground or children's park, there is one of the mat slide. If the child is top of the mat slide, that will slide towards down automatically. The field is also as that if there is any object or any particles in the field, that will move in the direction of the gravitational field if you don't give any external forces for that. First example for the gravitational field, gravitational field, if we have any object close to the earth, that will fall down the planets orbiting around the sun in the elliptical orbits. These all are due to the gravitational field, and if you have one of the white paper and if you have one of the magnet below of that white paper, and if you apply some dust of the ions on that white paper, that will move and that will make one of the shape on the white paper. The reason for that magnetic field and the electric field, the electrons orbits around the protons. The reason there is one of the field called electric field,